I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today I have a dilemma. I have all this leftover spaghetti and meatballs. I made this the other day, and I made a lot. I do have a recipe for my semi-homemade spaghetti sauce. I don't make it homemade, it's just too much, but I make it semi-homemade. So what I've decided to do with this, I'm going to make my version of baked spaghetti and meatballs when the spaghetti and meatballs are already done. So here's what we're going to do. I have my oven is preheating to 350. I have a casserole dish here that I have sprayed with cooking spray. And what I'm going to start putting some of this in. I'll make 2 layers of this. Like I said, this is my version. I've never made it from scratch like some people do. Okay. Now, to this I'm going to add a little bit of dehydrated minced onion. I'm going to add, a little bit of granulated garlic. Here I have some 3 cheese creamy milk that I'm going to put some on. You know what? Hold on. This is going to be very cheesy and melty and all that good stuff. Make you happy. Then over here I've got our handy dandy shredded parm. Alright. Put this last little layer on. The thing about this is, when this is done and we're done eating it, I'm going to put this in the freezer. Because there's no way that me and Tony are going to finish all this that we've already had. I made this about 3 days ago, and I've had it for lunch a couple of days now. Oops. And finish it off with the, oops. I got this part. Just to give it a couple more layers of flavor. Because I love my onions and I love my garlic. Not much left, but a little bit. There's some parm. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to pop this in the oven, like I said, 350. And it's going to cook approximately 30 minutes. And all we're doing is heating it up, basically. Melting all the cheese. But I'm going to cover it for 20 minutes. And then the last 10 minutes I will uncover it. So we'll bring you back. Hey guys. Alright, our baked spaghetti is done. With this we've got 5 cheese garlic toast and my awesome sauteed mushrooms, which I'm just going to leave on the plate because they're all mine. Alright, let's spoon some of this up. It's definitely cheesy. A lot of meatballs left too. Alright guys, I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family.